Although we are a week away from the official Samsung Galaxy S23 series unveiling, almost all the detail regarding the entire lineup has been leaked. Samsung is currently suffering the worst leaks of centuries as the unreleased Galaxy S23 Ultra is already being sold, get unboxed, camera tested, and much more. And talking about the cameras, now we have the photos and the first ever video recording both in 4K and 8K are leaked, plus the night photography has also been confirmed. According to the leakster who has posted many camera samples on Twitter and Instagram, has shared a couple of photos on his social media account. Well, based on samples, we have got the 1x, 3x, 10x and 30x zoom pictures. With the things you should note here is that the 3x and 10x images has been shot by using the Samsung telephoto cameras, while the 30x has been shot by 200 megapixel camera sensor. And boy, the 30x camera detail is great, and iCinverse liked this as well. And he believes that the S23 Ultra 30x zoom is far better than the S22 Ultra. The thing is, notice here that these photos are shot with the normal 12 megapixel mode, not the 50 megapixel or not the 200 megapixel mode. Things did not stop here. The first selfie image sample, you can see what a quality difference next to the Pixel 7 Pro. It's looking absolutely stunning with noticeably more detail. Do keep in mind that Samsung will push a Snapdragon ISP update as revealed by iCinverse, and so what you are seeing right now is probably not the final result. It's gonna get even more optimized. The night performance is freaking dope, incredible result even in practically no light. As you can see these sample images, there is no light, but still it's giving you one of the best quality of images in the night time. So definitely the night photography has been a big upgrade. Now moving forward, looking at these zoom samples, we are being compared to the Pixel 7 Pro. You can see we have a pretty nice noticeable difference in terms of the colors and the detail with the latest hardware. Even with the same lenses, we are seeing better improvement so far. Overall, I am really liking the result the 200 megapixel sensor is bringing. The S23 Ultra has been underrated in the news for this 200 megapixel sensor, but so far it seems to be delivering the exact upgrade we needed over the S22 Ultra. Again, stay tuned on the channel as we get our hands on the S23 series. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.